Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to What If Ash Woke Up on Time Part 3 The Johto Adventures. So let's go. First of all the adventures using the GS ball doesn't happen. Since the blimp ride doesn't happen, that means Ash doesn't go to the Orange Islands. He just gives the GS ball to Professor Ivy and leaves. Brock, not wanting to leave Ash alone, decides to come with him. So Ash is in Johto with his three Mon right now. Venusaur, Charmander, and Togepi. First of all, he finds a Heracross on a tree and catches it. He also then finds a Chikorita that has taken a bond to him. So he obviously adds the Chikorita to his team. Now it's time for Faulkner's gym match. The battle starts with Venusaur versus Hoothoot. Even using the type advantage, Venusaur is just too powerful. But when Dodrio comes out, Venusaur goes down. Ash then switches into his Charmander, who loses to Dodrio because Dodrio's speed is too much. Togepi, getting a lucky rollout on Metronome, defeats the Dodrio, but it can do nothing against Pidgeot until it evolves. After evolution, it beats the Pidgeot, giving Ash his first badge. The releasement of Charizard doesn't happen because he's a Charmander right now, and so Ash doesn't want another fire type on his team, so no Cyndaquil either. Anyway, now it's time for Bugsy's gym battle. The battle starts with Togetic versus Metapod. Togetic is able to take out Metapod, but and also tie with Beetle. Next, Heracross comes out to face Scyther, but Scyther is just too powerful, and with its Swords Dance strategies, it takes out Heracross. Then Charmander comes in, and after a tough battle, it defeats Scyther, and after getting that XP from defeating Scyther, it evolves. This gives Ash his second badge. Next, Ash catches a Totodile, looking for a water type to add to his team. And then he finds a shiny Noctowl. Not wanting to let go of it, he gives Charmeleon back to Professor Oak. Next, Ash can face the worst gym leader ever, Whitney. The battle starts with Cleffa versus Venusaur, and Cleffa absolutely gets demolished. Miltank comes in, and the nightmarish Miltank takes out the Venusaur. Noctowl dodges all of Miltank's attacks, puts it to sleep, and gets the win. Next, Ash goes to a bug catching competition where he catches a Beedrill and gives it to Professor Oak, getting himself a Sunstone. This allows Ash to go and challenge Morty, who is the fourth gym battle. The battle starts with Togetic versus Ghastly. Togetic is taken out, spoiling its gym battle record. Heracross then comes in, and Heracross and Ghastly tie. Totodile then comes in and takes out Haunter. And even after a tough battle, Torrent activates so he can take out Gengar too, giving Ash his fourth badge. Next, Ash meets up with Bryce and they battle. The battle starts with Piloswine versus Heracross. The battle ends in a tie, causing Sneasel and Chikorita to come in. Chikorita evolves as it was losing due to the type disadvantage and wants to not make a bad impression on Ash. Evolving, it gives it the upper hand and he gets the gym badge. Next, Ash can go to Olivine City where he hears that Jasmine needs medicine. So he goes to Cianwood City and battles the gym leader there. Venusaur beats Poliwrath easily and calls Venusaur back to get some rest on Machoke. That's when Noctowl comes in, but the type advantage is not enough as Machoke is really strong. So after Noctowl is fainted, Ash sends in Venusaur. Ash then gets his sixth gym badge. Now it's time for the Jasmine battle. The battle starts with Totodile versus Magneton. Totodile is able to take out Magneton after a well-fought battle, but Steelix comes out and easily takes out the tired Totodile. Then Heracross comes out and gets Ash the win. Then it's time for the Claire battle. Bailey faces off against King Dra, but loses. Venusaur then comes in, easily takes out King Dra and Gyarados, and is about to take out Dratini, but it evolves into Dragonair and takes out the weakened Venusaur. Then Heracross comes out, and Dragonair gets an easy win. This is Ash's first gym battle loss. A few days later, Ash comes in battles Claire again, and to Claire's surprise, Ash starts out with Charmeleon. The battle ends in a draw, causing Togetic and Gyarados to come out. Togetic ends Gyarados, but Dragonair is just too strong for Togetic. Then another surprise to Claire, Ash sends out Fiero. Fiero is able to take out Dragonair, giving Ash his 8th badge. Now, nothing interesting happens in the league. It's basically all the same until just popping all of the Pokemon until Gary. Gary is where the real fun starts. So let's get into the battle. The battle starts with Magmar versus Heracross, and this battle ends in a tie, causing Totodile and Golem to come out. Totodile takes out Golem due to the type of 4 times super effectiveness. But then Blastoise comes out and takes out the weakened Totodile. And even with the type at disadvantage, he takes out Bailey due to pure power. Then Charmeleon comes out, but he is losing badly to Arcanine. So he evolves into Charizard and takes out Arcanine. Alakazam then comes in and they both die. Then Togetic comes out and so does Scizor. Scizor takes out Togetic, causing Ash to send in his last mon, Venusaur. Venusaur takes out Scizor, and Gary then sends out his last mon, his Blastoise. After a well-fought battle, the type advantage is just too much for Blastoise to handle, and Ash gets his win against Gary after getting absolutely obliterated in the Indigo League. Now it's time for Ash's battle with Harrison, and he loses, as his best members have got fatigued due to the battle with Gary. Hope you guys enjoyed Johto, and tell me when you want Hoenn. Goodbye.